is up, y'all boys? It is Ride with G back with the M340 for another video. Today, basically I'm gonna get straight into it. We picked up a CTS turbo intake and the turbo inlet, and we're gonna be putting it on today, and I'm gonna show y'all what it sounds like, if there's any power increases, stuff like that. So we don't got too much daylight. We're gonna pull the car into the garage and we're gonna get straight into it. I ain't gonna waste y'all time. So I was gonna wait to unbox this with y'all and do a whole unboxing, but I kind of tore into it. But as y'all can see, we got the intake right here. We got the filter, we got the little tube, and then here's the inlet, and then all the little clamps and plastics, heat shield, and yeah, we're gonna get straight into it. So we got the car in the garage now. Basically, before we put this on, I'm gonna give y'all a beginning sound clip and then after, so y'all can know before and after. So as y'all can see, this is the stock airbox, and then the inlet's gonna be down there. I think the first step is removing this little flathead right here. Okay, so we're gonna start by taking this little clamp off with the flathead, and then this is gonna slide off the back. We're gonna unclip this clip. Okay, that comes off, and then this should just pull out if I remember correctly. And then it pulls out, and then there's the stock airbox. It's that easy. One thing I forgot to mention is make sure you get this MAF sensor off of this one, because you're gonna have to transfer it to your new one. So the next step is getting this clamp off the inlet. It's a one-time use clip, so basically just gonna put a flathead in here and then twist it, and it should just pry off. Okay, so this clamp comes off the thing. It basically just breaks. You pry it with the flathead, and then it breaks, and then this should just wiggle out of here, if I'm correct. Just wiggle out of here like that. All right, for the life of me, I got the intake all out, obviously, easy part, but now I have to get this little clamp off, and I don't have a good pair of needle nose pliers to get it off. I've tried for like literally like 20-25 minutes to get this thing off, and I'm scared because this is like the PCV clamp, and you know, people have like PCV issues with like if fucking smoking out the car, so I don't want to like break this clamp, like fucking ripping on it, whatever. So I'm just gonna probably just put the intake in, and then we'll come back to this another day, because I just don't have a good pair of pliers to get that off. And then once I even get to that, I'm gonna have to do this ring around the turbo. It's like right back here, but it's like a little clamp around the turbo. You need a good pick tool. I don't have one of those either. I didn't know this was like so I mean, it's not like special tools. It's just a pick tool, and then I need a long, like grippy pair of needle nose plier, because I'm not gonna break that clamp. So we're just gonna put the intake in, and then another day, because with the stock airbox out, the intake's gonna be stupid easy to get out. So I'm just gonna button it back up, put it back together, show y'all the noise, and then another day we'll do the inlet. Alright, so now it's gonna be basically just assembling the intake and assembling the heat shield. I think it goes like this. I think it goes like this, and then you will mount the little mounting bracket from there, from these little things to this thing. There's a bolt, and then it'll sit, and then the intake will like flow through there. Alright, y'all boys, so it's been about a day since I put the intake on, but I'm gonna just show y'all how it went. As you can see, it's all in here. Had the coupler down here with the two little clamps, and then two up here. This heat shield went like this with the bracket coming out, and then these little weather strippings around it. But yeah, overall I would say it's a good intake. Obviously it's a cheaper one. This shit is not the best. Like, if you want quality and shit, I would go like dine and get a closed box. But if you want sound and shit, it's a good setup for just sound. I do feel like the throttle response is a little bit better, but nothing crazy, mostly just sounds. I don't really feel any power, but I say for 250 bucks, it is a good little intake. So yeah, so now I'm gonna hop in the car and I'm gonna try to give you some sound clips of it. Side note, before I get into the sound clips, I straight was coming out here. I was about to film. I didn't pick up the camera yet, but my homie Micah pulled up on me, and he ended up having a draggy, and he was like, bro, you gotta borrow my draggy and get some times. So your boy got a draggy now. So that's what's up. That's what's up. Your boy got a draggy, so I guess we can get some fucking 0 to 60, 60 to 130s with this shit. You can see what this little 93 octane rear wheel drive do, goddamn. But yeah, just a little side note, your boy got a draggy. Yeah, let's I'm gonna get y'all some sound clips. Let me see if I can show y'all these little turbo noises. We in the car now. As you can see, I hope y'all can hear it over this fucking wind, but every time you hit the gas, every time you hit the gas and let off, you hear that little flutter, bro. It's so good. Give y'all a few more. I ain't trying to go too crazy in this fucking neighborhood, but the noise is everything. I'm gonna have my girl get some flyby shots of it, but yeah, it's a good little intake. I say for the price, it's good. Obviously, as I said, there's better ones, but for 250 bucks, you really can't beat the noises, the little throttle response, whatever. Any intake you get is really not gonna do a crazy amount because the stock airbox on this car is already stupid good. From what I hear, really a K&N drop-in would beat most intakes. But yeah, if you want some little sound, maybe a little throttle response, it's a good intake. I like it. I'm happy with the little purchase. As I said, we will get that inlet on in the near future. I just got to get a pair of long needle nose pliers, and then also a pick tool so I can get that clip around the inlet, and we'll do that, and hopefully we'll get some more noise from that. But yeah, I'm gonna get some flyby clips, and then I'm probably gonna sign out. Oh, let me give y'all by these fences, bruh. Oh god, so good. I'm gonna get some flyby clips, and I'm probably gonna peace out. So I'll see you on the next one. Peace.